You won't believe this. I got completely different results from these 7 drawing tablets, and some of them were downright shocking. After testing over 15 models, I've narrowed it down to the top 7 that are truly worth your money. Stick around because in just a few minutes, you'll know exactly which drawing tablet is perfect for your needs, whether it's for digital art or graphic design. If you want to check the prices of each product, check out the links in the description as I've linked to all the products mentioned. Let's get started. Number 7. XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro. The XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro brings portability with performance. At 13.3 inches, it's just the right size for working from cafes or small studios, but its full laminated FHD screen with impressively wide viewing angles ensures your colors stay true even if you tilt your head. The built-in tilt function, up to 60 degrees, means you can shade naturally without constantly adjusting settings in software. Your strokes feel smoother and transitions more organic. One thing I especially love is the red dial and 8 customizable shortcut keys. With just that one dial, you can zoom in/out, change brush size, or flip canvas, speeding up your workflow so you spend more time creating, less time fumbling through menus. The battery-free stylus is comfy for long sessions, with 8,192 pressure levels and tilt, so you get a natural feel without needing to charge. Also, the display's fully laminated, reducing parallax so what you draw matches what you see. Compatibility is broad. Windows, Mac, and major creative apps like Photoshop, Krita, Blender, etc. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Huion Canvas Pro 16. If you want something a bit larger without being overwhelming, the Huion Canvas Pro 16 hits a sweet spot. The 15.6-inch full laminated display paired with anti-glare glass gives you that textured feel when drawing, which many artists prefer because it mimics paper. Your eyes also thank you. The color gamut is vibrant, and good contrast helps shadows and fine details pop. Workflow is improved by 6 express keys plus a touch bar. Things like brush size, zoom, undo are always within reach. The adjustable stand shifts between 20 degrees to 60 degrees, helping prevent neck and shoulder strain by letting you find the angle that works best. The stylus is battery-free, with tilt support, low lag, and responsive tracking so lines feel immediate. The 3-in-1 USB-C cable cleans up the mess of cords, meaning fewer tangles and easier setup. Works with Windows, Mac OS, and even Linux, and lots of major design software. Overall, it's ideal for someone wanting a mid-size screen with professional feel, without committing to a large desk. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. VEIK A15 Pro. For folks who prefer a pad, non-screen tablet with wide reach, the VEIK A15 Pro is a strong contender. Its large active area gives you ample room to draw broad strokes without running off the edges. If you work on big gestures or play drawing games like OSU, that space makes a difference. And for those needing more compact motions, the driver lets you scale it down. It's loaded with features. 12 customizable soft keys and a quick dial ring let you adjust brush size or canvas movement without reaching for your keyboard. The pen is battery-free with 8,192 pressure levels, so you get smooth transitions. Plus, you get 28 spare nibs, something many tablets don't include, which means fewer interruptions when a nib wears down. Compatibility is broad. Works with Linux, Chrome OS, Android, and major design software. So whether you use a laptop, tablet, or phone, this offers a flexible option. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Want free shipping and fast delivery on your products? Try Amazon Prime. There is a 30-day free trial linked in the description. Number 4. Huion Inspiroi. The Huion Inspiroi blends solid build with streamlined operation. With a working area of 10 by 6.25 inches, it hits a comfortable size for long sketch sessions and detailed work. Its slim, minimalist design makes it visually pleasing and portable. You also get 12 press keys and 16 soft keys. So many shortcuts at your fingertips. Think about zooming, erasing, flipping canvas, or switching tools all without touching the keyboard. For left or right-handed users, it's symmetrical and you can rotate input if needed. That flexibility matters if you sometimes switch hands or share the tablet. It works across Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Linux. If you want to connect to a phone or tablet, this one gives you options. For creatives who want a reliable, responsive pad that blends into different setups, this is a great pick, practical and hands-on without extra fluff. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. XP Pen Artist Pro 16. Stepping into higher fidelity, the XP Pen Artist Pro 16 brings major improvements for artists who demand precision. The 2.5K QHD screen gives your artwork sharp clarity, and full lamination plus anti-glare glass keeps your strokes aligned with what you see. Very important when details matter. The 16-inch size gives you more room to breathe in your compositions. But what sets it apart is the 16K pressure-sensitive stylus. You'll notice smoother gradients, subtle line weight changes, and overall more control. If you do a lot of shading, fine line work, or realistic textures, that sensitivity makes a difference. Color accuracy lets you trust what you see on screen matches what comes out in print or online. It includes extras, a foldable stand to help you draw at comfortable angles, a wireless shortcut remote for on-the-fly changes, and a wrist rest to reduce fatigue during long sessions. If you're building a serious setup, this one feels premium without being overboard. High-end results without needing a massive budget. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Huion HS611. If portability and control are priorities, the Huion HS611 is a standout. It's ultra-thin and weighs around 550 grams, making it easy to carry in a backpack, move between desk and couch, or use on the go. Yet it still offers a large working surface with a defined dot grid, helping your strokes feel accurate even when you're mobile. What's really cool is the inclusion of multimedia keys: mute, volume up, down, play, pause, next, previous, switch apps, etc. Great if you like listening to music or podcasts while you draw. Then there are 10 programmable press keys and a touch strip for canvas navigation or zoom. Everything feels right where you need it, so your flow isn't interrupted. The battery-free stylus has pressure levels and supports tilt too, so you get natural lines without lag. The build quality and the weight are impressive for something so portable. If you travel, sketch on location, or like switching spaces, HS611 gives you power in a lightweight package. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq. The Wacom Cintiq is a pen display that has long been the gold standard for creative professionals and hobbyists alike. What makes it stand out is the combination of top-tier pen performance and display quality. The Pro Pen 2 offers tilt recognition, 2 customizable switches, and virtually no lag. So when you draw, it truly feels like putting pen to paper. You're not fighting the tool, you're flowing with it. The screen displays vibrant, true-to-life colors and uniform brightness. Whether you're doing digital painting, retouching photographs, animation, or storyboarding, what you see is what you get. Parallax has been minimized so that the stylus tip aligns closely with what you draw, essential when precision counts. It's also designed to work smoothly with both Windows and Mac OS. Whether you're a student, studio artist, or somewhere in between, this is a tablet you can grow with, one that supports demanding workflows and high detail. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best drawing tablets you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime, 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.